Here are my top 3 trading strategies that you should use if you're currently not profitable and you want to start becoming profitable when you're trading and have consistent wins, right? This is not a get rich quick, right? Trading is not a get rich quick scheme. It is a skill like anything else that takes time to learn. And I've compiled my top 3 strategies for you guys to use. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing a step-by-step on how you can use these strategies to profit. Right off the bat, if you don't know your trading strategy off the top of your head and can't describe it in a sentence or two, then you really need to reevaluate the information that you're finding online, because I see a lot of people trying to spread themselves too thin, trying to do too many different strategies at once and like combining a few, and then it just doesn't work at all. So here are my top 3 strategies. Use any one of these and perfect them and you will be doing just fine. Now, this does not go in any particular order. But the number 1 trading strategy I recommend, which is actually my personal favorite, is swing failure patterns. So if you don't know what a swing failure pattern is, it is a failure of a point or level. Actually not any point or level, a key point or level. So I see a lot of people doing this wrong, which is why I brought up a recent swing failure pattern right here on DYDX. Now this just happened, right? Some people in the Discord got in on the short right here. It was actually a swing failure of this candlestick high. Hold on a second, let me change the color of this candlestick high right here. It was actually a swing failure of this candlestick high, and we just had another swing failure of this candlestick high. So some people got in this short right here, which was a nice, at the peak around a 5% move. So what you're doing is waiting for price to come above a key level or point, waiting for the retrace, right? As soon as price starts to retrace this level, you're going to enter a short position. Now you'll notice if I zoom out, this is a key point. This isn't just any level, right? This is the most recent high, right? We have a very prominent high right here. And you can see, we got rejected multiple times here with these candlesticks. So there's a lot of selling pressure in this area. So you're going to be looking for swing failures of either of these 2 candlesticks. And this is on the 1 hour time frame. All these strategies are going to be geared more towards higher time frames because that's what works best. Now, this isn't a swing failure that I like to see because we kind of hung around here for longer than I'd like, but you could take a short as price is breaking this resistance level and you'd be up, almost 2% right now. So that is the first trading strategy that I recommend. And the next trading strategy I'd recommend is trading double tops and bottoms. Now, I thought this was a pretty fitting pair to do double tops and bottoms. Reason being is that I'm waiting for a double bottom to form here on AVAX 30-minute. Now, this could also be called an inverse head and shoulders, right? We have, this shoulder right here, head right here, and another shoulder. Also, you can see we had this clear double bottom right here at the low level. Again, when you're trading these double tops and bottoms, you want to wait for the most optimal level, right? The key levels. This is a low level on, I think it is the 4 hour time frame as well. So you have so much confluence in this area. Even on the 1 hour, this is a low level. So we got a pretty strong reaction from this low level the first time. And you can see we came back to this level with some reversal signals, and then we got that bullish candle. Now we are on the Heikin-Ashi candle, so it's hard to see. If I go to regular candles, we had a reaction off of this level. We had this bullish candle right here, another bullish candle. We're probably going to enter on one of these bullish candles off of this level, and you'll be able to see the trend ribbon also flipped right at the closure of this candle. So that would be our entry. Take profit here at this resistance level, a nice almost 7 risk to reward ratio. Maybe you're still holding some of it, but catching double tops and bottoms, especially on some of these altcoins on a higher time frame, are very, very powerful moves. And if you're able to catch some of these, then you're going to be in the money. Something else you can do is set a limit order or look to catch a swing failure of this low candlestick wick, which we did not get, but it was a swing failure of these 2 candlestick wicks over here, right? Just see if I draw a horizontal line, change the color to our support color. That was indeed a swing failure of these candlestick wicks. So that's something else you can do, or you can just set a limit order if you're on a higher time frame. And last but not least, we have the golden pocket at an EzAlgo support level. Now I'm using this one on Solana because this is a setup that I put in the Discord. And it's also a trade that I'm still in right now. So this was a long position from this golden pocket. What you're going to do is draw a Fibonacci retracement from the previous swing low down here to the previous swing high, and you'll see we got that golden pocket. It also overlays this EzAlgo support level, right, forming this inverse head and shoulder pattern like we just saw on AVAX, right? So that was my thesis for entering the trade, and my actual entry was right around here. So we had actually come down below this golden pocket, hit that EzAlgo support zone, and started to retrace. So it's also a swing failure of this golden pocket to the upside, and I actually entered on the reclaim of that golden pocket. So right on that bullish candle going back into that golden pocket, that's going to be your entry. And ideally, you're going to be targeting these candlestick highs for a 10% move. But obviously at this point, your stop loss would be at break even. Maybe already have taken some profits because you were up a solid almost 5%. Well, those are my top 3 strategies. Be sure to use these. It's not very complicated, guys. You just got to stick to one and be consistent, all right? That's really the hardest part about trading, is just being consistent. So stop trying to go back and forth, combining different strategies. Just pick one of these and have this as your main trading strategy and use it, right? I know a lot of successful traders that solely use the swing failure patterns. We had someone in the Discord who had 25K, almost lost all of it, only had 5K left, joined the Discord, learned swing failure patterns, got EzAlgo. He just hit 25K again. So swing failure patterns are obviously my number 1 recommendation. Also double tops and bottoms, just because those levels tend to be respected very well, especially the high and low levels on a higher time frame, like a 30-minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, even 4 hour time frame. So I do really like trading the double tops and bottoms, otherwise known as the W or M patterns. And then number 3, I know a ton of great traders, guys, that solely trade golden pockets. That's it. And when you have confluence with EzAlgo support and resistance zones, it just becomes too easy and so much confluence in one area that you can be confident when you're entering a trade. So no excuses, guys. Learn these strategies and take action. If you don't have the EzAlgo trading indicator, be sure to click the first link in the description below. And that's it for me. I'll see you guys next video.